Manipur merger agreement Chana implement Tounaba Manipur Giningto MP Leisemba Sana Jaubana Parliament Taksinkhre Manipur merger agreement Chana implement Tounaba Rajya Sabagi MP Ningtho Leisemba Sana Jaubana Parliament Taksinkhre Ngasi Fam Kiba Parliament Mifam Gi 0 hour Gi Matamda merger agreement Ki Wafam Asi Pukhat Aduna MP Sana Jaubana Hai Manipur Asi Apikpa State Ama Oijarabasu Matam Amada Chahi Lising Manga Henbagi Puari Amadi Civilization Leijarakpa Maning Makha Tamna Palamba Leipak Ama Oirami The Manipur Merger Agreement 1949 Haiba Agreement Amagi Makhada Kumja Lising Amaga Chamapan Nifuga Mapandegi Manipur India Gi Saruk Ama Oiraki Adumakpu Haukiba Chahi Kayagi Mamangda Palam Leba Laingak Singna Haidiba Agreement Asi Karigumbada Ikai Kumnabiba Natraga Khangbiba Leitri Masina Tasengna Manipur gi Miyamgi Pukning Wakalda Chauna Chaiteng Piri Maruwaina Agreement Asigi Nepal Suba Article the Yauriba Aroiba Para Asida Manipuri Singi Socio-Economic, Cultural Amadi Political Status Hena Wangba Thakta Pukhatpaga Mari Lainana Yamna Mayak Sengna Yauri Haiki Maramasina Manipur gi Socio-Economic, Cultural Amadi Political Status Hena Fagat Hananaba Matik Chaba Thaurang Sing Amadi Mathau Thaba Khongthang Sing Lokat Pinanaba Loinana Manipur Merger Agreement Chana implement Tounaba House ki Kuthangda Manipur gi Ningtho MP Sana Jaubba Leisembana Union Government ki Pukning Chingsinki
Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for the last many decades, the previous government never tried to honor or address this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of the Manipuris. Particularly, the last para of Article 8 of this agreement is very relevant for the Manipuris to uplift their socio-economic, cultural and political status. It reads as, I quote, the government of India shall also undertake to make suitable provisions for the employment of Manipuris in the various branches of public services and in every way encourage the Manipuris to join them. It also undertakes to preserve various laws, customs and conventions prevailing in the states of Manipur pertaining to the social, economic and religious life of the people, unquote. But till today, no suitable provisions or safeguards are made or set in this regard. So I urge upon the Union Government to make suitable provisions or take up necessary steps to uplift the socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuris in the days to come. Thank you, sir.